So over here, you can see that I am signed into DeepSeek and I got some chats right here. And let's say for privacy reasons, I simply want to go ahead and delete out my entire DeepSeek account. In that case, you can easily do that by actually going around onto the My Profile section right here. Then over here, you can see that delete all chat is an option. But if you want to go ahead and delete out the entire account itself, then you need to go to settings right here. Then you need to go around onto profile, and over here you can see that delete account is an option. Simply go ahead and click right here, and now you can see that it actually wants to confirm whether you really want to delete it and it's not by mistake. So it says to verify, please type delete my account. So whatever is written here, you need to type that in. So I'm just going to say in all caps, delete my account right here, just like this. And as I do that and click on confirm delete my account, it says you have been signed out of the account right here, and the account is deleted successfully. So now if I were to actually go ahead and try to log in, that account is not there anymore. So let me just go ahead and try that in, and let me just choose the same account that I used to actually sign in into DeepSeek right here. So in my case, I use the Google account. And once I do that, you can see that it actually created a new account for me because the old account is deleted. None of the information is there and so forth. And that is how you can go ahead and delete out the account entirely and even re-register like this if you want to inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe